What if the key to mental clarity, better focus, and improved mood was hidden in your diet? The ketogenic diet has gained popularity for weight loss, but did you know it can also enhance brain function? Research suggests that ketones, your body's alternative fuel source when you cut carbs, may be a game changer for mental health. If you're looking for a natural way to support cognitive function and emotional well-being, keto might be the answer. The keto diet works by shifting your body into ketosis, a state where fat is converted into ketones, which your brain can use for energy. Unlike glucose, which can cause fluctuations in energy and focus, ketones provide a steady, efficient fuel source that keeps your brain functioning at its best. Many people report experiencing sharper thinking, better concentration, and even emotional stability after adopting a ketogenic lifestyle. One of the biggest advantages of keto for mental health is its ability to reduce brain fog. When you rely on carbohydrates for energy, your blood sugar levels can spike and crash throughout the day, leading to fatigue and mental sluggishness. Ketones offer a more stable energy source, helping you stay alert and focused for longer periods. But it doesn't stop there. Keto has been studied for its potential benefits in managing mental health conditions like anxiety, depression, and even neurodegenerative diseases. The diet's anti-inflammatory effects, combined with its ability to balance neurotransmitters, may contribute to an overall sense of well-being. Some researchers believe that ketosis can help regulate brain chemistry, leading to improved mood and reduced symptoms of anxiety and depression. Another exciting aspect of keto for mental health is its role in supporting mitochondrial function. Mitochondria are the energy-producing structures in your cells, including brain cells. When they function optimally, your brain operates more efficiently, which may lead to better memory, faster processing speed, and improved overall cognitive function. Getting started on keto for mental health requires a few simple steps. First, reduce your carbohydrate intake to 20 to 50 grams per day to encourage ketosis. Replace those carbs with healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish. Prioritize nutrient-dense, whole foods to support overall health and brain function. Hydration and electrolyte balance are crucial when transitioning to keto. As your body adjusts, you may experience temporary symptoms known as the keto flu, which can include headaches, fatigue, and irritability. Drinking plenty of water and replenishing electrolytes with foods like leafy greens and bone broth can help ease this transition. The best part? You don't have to sacrifice delicious food to support your brain. Enjoy meals like salmon with creamy avocado salsa, scrambled eggs with spinach and cheese, or a rich coconut and chia seed pudding. These nutrient-packed meals not only keep you in ketosis, but also provide essential vitamins and minerals for optimal brain function. That a well-planned ketogenic diet can be a powerful tool for mental health, offering more than just physical benefits. By switching to ketones as a primary fuel source, you may experience enhanced focus, improved mood, and long-term cognitive support. Have you noticed any mental benefits from eating keto? Let's talk about your experience in the comments.